Good morning, doctor. My name is Chu Tong and my matrix number is CP240092. And now I will present about the introduction. Blood and organ donation save life every day. In Malaysia, blood is needed for surgeries and accidents, while organ help to patients with serious health problems. A healthcare group suggests that people who give blood might also be more willing to donate organs. To find out if this is true, we look at real data from the Ministry of Health in 2024. We use tools like correlation and regression to study the link between blood and organ donation. This study is more than just member, it's about understanding generosity and using data to improve healthcare decisions. And now I will present about the objective. Our goal is to see if people who donate blood are also more likely to become organ donor. This idea comes from a healthcare group and we want to check if the data support it. We use monthly data from 2024 and apply simple tools like correlation and regression. We hope to find patterns that can help guide future health campaign and encourage more people to give. That's all for me. Thank you.
Selamat sejahtera Dr. Hafizah. My name is Liu Wen. The whole metric is AP240042. And now I will continue to present the description and justification of selected variables. We analyze blood donation is X and organ donation is Y. Track monthly throughout 2024. Blood donation is independent. It is because it is a common, accessible act of health-related generosity, and it is a repeatable behavior. For organ bank donations is dependent. It is less frequent, often reflecting deeper personal values and potential, and usually happens once. The table provides a detailed monthly breakdown of blood donations X and organ donation Y over a 12-month period, along with diverted statistical values such as the product of donations is XY and their squares is X squares and Y squares. The total number of blood donations for the year was 587,289, while organ donation is 15,430. The highest blood donations occurred in May is 53,711 and March 51,792, while the lowest were in April is 52,868 and February is 46,867. For organ donations, November's is 1,769 and August is 1,592 had the highest numbers, whereas October is 1,020 and September is 1,027 had the lowest numbers. Table also includes sums of xy equal to x multiplied y gets 756210031, and for x squared is equal to x multiplied x gets 2882412681841, and the last one is y squared. Formula is y multiply y. It gets 20369,179. These calculations could help determine whether there is a relationship between blood and organ donations or predict future donation trends based on historical data.
Hello, Dr. Hafiza. My name is Yuan. My metric number is AP240337. And now let us look at this graph. We analyze the relationship between two types of donation per month, which is blood donations from an x-axis and organ donation from a y-axis. Each dot represents the monthly data for both blood and organ donation. As we observe the trend line, it shows a slight positive correlation. This means that the blood donation increased, the organ donations also tend to increase. Although not so very strongly, the data points are somewhat saturated, but the upward trend lines significance that the high blood donation might be associated with a slight increase in organ donation. In this section, we perform simple linear regressions to analyze the relationship between two variables, which is blood donation and organ donations. Let's break down the steps. The first is SXY equals to 30,036,251.25. This represents the covariance between X and Y. Second is XX squared, which is 31,762,714.25. This is the variance of the Y variables, or how much the blood donation values break up from the means. The third one is SY squared, which equals to 572,464.92. Similarly, this is the variance of the Y variables, showing the spread in organ donations. Now, in this slide, let us look at the Pearson correlation coefficients, which help us to measure the strength and direction of the relationship between two variables. We use the formula is R equals to SXY divided by square root of XX squared times XY squared. Putting the value for our previous calculations, which is R equals to 13,036,257.35 divided by square root of 31,762,714.25 times 572,464.92. Then R equals to 0.3757. This result tells us that there is a weakly positive correlation between the variables, meaning that one increasing, the another slightly increased too. Next, we square the correlation values to get the R squared, as known as coefficients of determinations. Is R squared equals to 0.2757 squared, which we can get is 0.076 or 7.6%. This means that the only 7.6% of the variation in organ donations can be explained by blood donations. This relationship exists, but it is not very strong. That's all from me. Now I will pass to another presenter.
Good morning, Dr. Hafiza and my fellow friends. My name is Yong Sing Hwan and my number metric is AP240141. I will start my presentation now. Here is the forecast for organ donations in January 2025 based on the number of blood donations. We use a simple linear regression model to make these predictions. The equations is y hat equal to 155.8429 plus 0.02306x, when x represents the number of blood donations. For January 2025, the record number of blood donations is 47,248. By substituting this into our equations, we get whiteheads equal to 155.8429 plus 0.02306 times 47,248, which gives us a forecast of approximately 1,245 organ donations. In conclusion, based on the trends between blood and organ donations, we estimate that around 1,245 organ donations will occur in January 2025. Thank you. Now, I will do the conclusions. To conclude this report, we set out to explore the relationship between blood and organ donations in Malaysia using monthly data from year 2024. Our analysis show a bit positive correlations, where correlations coefficient of R equal to 0.2757. This suggests there is some relationship. To know a strong one, the R square value of 7.6% means that blood donations numbers explain only a small portion of the variations in organ donations. Using the regression equations, we predicted that with 47,248 blood donations in January year 2025, we can expect around 1,245 organ donations. While the predictive power is limited, the results suggest a possible connections between different forms of giving in healthy care. In summary, while blood donations alone is not a strong predictor, its means still support public health planning. For a deeper understanding, future research should consider factors like public awareness, cultural attitudes, and donor registration effects. That's all in my part. Thank you.